morning, everyone. You may sit down first. Naka-leave of absence na ang lahat ng mga opisyal ng DOJ na ipinautos natin sa kalihim ng katurungan. Ang hakbang na ito ay upang ipakita sa lahat kung gaano kaseryoso ang pamalaan sa kampanya laban sa suliranin ng droga. Contemporary events are instructive. No other criminal activity does a better and faster job of tearing apart the social and security fabric of a nation than the trade of illegal drugs. Ang mga nagbebenta ng mga bawal na droga sa ating mga kabataan ay mistulang anay na sumisira hindi lamang ng ating pamilya, kundi pati na ng ating lipunan. Governments that delay action against illegal drugs or regard it as a routine police matter do so at their own peril. A country awash with illegal drugs is a country compromised, its law and order institutions tainted and corrupted. It is in this tragic context that the government should map out its all-out war, an unyielding and unrelenting war against illegal drugs and their devil merchants. The war shall be waged from three fronts, a trinity against illegal drugs. Law enforcement is the first component. Judicial action is the second. Policy making will make up the third front of this all-out war, a comprehensive policy consisting of prevention, enforcement, rehabilitation, and aftercare. I will temporarily act as the czar or overseer of the war against illegal drugs. Then after a short while, I will turn the job over back to the tandem of Tito Soto and John X. Santiago. We should not allow this menace to spread its tentacles, ruin our youth, and gnaw on the integrity of our law enforcement institutions and our judicial system. The case of the so-called Alabang boys should jolt us into action, not with temporizing and tentativeness, but with the resoluteness and grit of a government fighting a just and moral war. I also call on the LGUs, the academe, the church, NGOs, and all other sectors to intensify their anti-drug campaigns. The LGUs that can declare a barangay, municipality, city, and province a drug-free zone will be rewarded with development projects to sustain their efforts and ensure a bright future for our children and communities. Kinakailangan na makamit natin ang pagkakaisa ng iba't ibang sektor ng ating lipunan upang matagumpay nating mapaglabanan ang paglalaganap ng mga bawal na gamot. Thank you. Okay. So we will now call the NSC Cabinet meeting to order. And